I'm going to review Pima Medical Institute. Pima Medical Institute, or PMI, is a private, for-profit medical career college that was established in 1972. It offers various healthcare programs across multiple campuses in the western United States. The school is nationally accredited by the Accrediting Bureau of Health Education Schools, which focuses specifically on healthcare education. PMI provides a wide range of programs, including certificates, associate degrees, bachelor's degrees, and even master's degrees in areas like nursing, dental hygiene, veterinary sciences, and more. However, while many of its programs are accredited, some, like the Associate Degree Nursing program at certain locations, may not have national, program-specific accreditation, which could affect job prospects after graduation. Student experiences at PMI can be mixed. Some students say they appreciate the hands-on learning and helpful staff, while others have reported issues such as limited facilities and a lack of support from instructors. If you're thinking about enrolling at PMI, it's important to research the specific program and campus you're interested in. Make sure the program meets your career goals and has the proper accreditation. While PMI can offer a pathway into healthcare careers, it's important to carefully consider if it's the right fit for your needs.